This installation is a complete door panel assembly operation. Sophisticated punching, forming, and assembly operations are combined in a highly efficient production system. Detailed diagnostic displays isolate and report the nature and location of a fault for quick correction of any production problem. The heart of this production line is the Bradbury 420 STR. We have served the door industry for more than 35 years. Through this extensive and international experience, we have learned how to produce the best roll tooling and roll formers in the world. Bradbury systems are designed to produce the highest quality form sections with a focus on ease of operation and maximum productivity. Our equipment forms the best and most accurate products possible and does so consistently and reliably. Operating at a rate of 90 feet per minute, this line is capable of producing finished door panels from 6 to 20 feet in length and 18 to 24 inches in width. A comprehensive monitoring program continuously tracks system performance. Operators are notified by visual and audible alarms as supplies of consumables such as glue, film, or screws require replenishment. Additional monitors raise alarms if a critical system deviates from its normal operating range.